Hello, this is Jose Chavez from Period 5, and today we're going to be learning about rational functions. Here I have the equation, and what I did next was factor out into x and a negative x and a negative 4. Then I got these equations right here and factored them, and that's what I got. Then, as you see here, we do not have a horizontal asymptote, so then instead we have a slant asymptote, which will what we did was we got this whole equation on the bottom and divided by the one on the top, and you should get on this one this answer right here, and you get this equation, negative 1/4 x minus 3/4 or 4. And I did all my work here. Then you go over and you find the vertical asymptote, and you get that by getting these numbers right here, x minus 2, x plus 1, and x equals 2 because it's x minus 2 equals 0, and then x plus 1 because it's x plus 1 equals 0, which makes it negative 1, and that's your equation right here. Those are your two equations. Limited notation, you just get as x goes to negative 1 on the left, f of x equals negative infinity. As f of x equals negative 1 to the right, it equals infinity, and so on, as you can see here. Then I went to the x-intercepts, which you just get the equation up here, and you get the zeros, the x's, and equal them to 0. And those are the 3 points. X equals 0 right here. X equals negative 3 right here. X equals 1 right here. Then for the y-intercept, what I did was equal the top by 0 and make all the x's zeros, so you get a point of 0, 0. And then right here on the graph, there's your asymptotes that you got from right here, the slant asymptote, which is this, and the vertical asymptote, which are these two. And this is the domain and range you get from the graphs, and you get them from over here, these numbers right here. Pretty simple. And these are key points if you want to have help for this graph. So if you need help to plot points for this graph, you just put points from wherever you can get points from. Like right here, it's negative 2, which is right there, equals negative 0.375, somewhere around there, and so on, you know. As you can see here, those are all the points I plotted in order to get these graphs right here. And that's pretty much it, and I think that's all that there is to show you. Thank you for watching, and have a nice day.